Hey Charmers, it's your girl Steph B, and today we're doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. I've never done this in my entire life before, so I'm kind of excited, but I'm kind of nervous at the same time. Majority of the products that I'm using today in this video are featured in this month's box, and I'm fairly new to majority of them, so I can't wait to give you guys some really good tips on them. And for some of you guys who are new to our channel, welcome. Welcome to Boxycharm's channel. If you guys don't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription company that sends you full-size products, 5 full-size products straight to your home for only $25 a month. That's a pretty good deal, you guys. So let's get started with this challenge in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and timer's ticking. So the first product I'm going in with is the CLARINS Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. This is an ultralight award-winning primer, you guys, and it just nourishes for foundation ready skin. So I'm gonna take quite a bit there. Ooh, this feels great. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. You guys, it feels so smooth. I mean, I definitely can tell how much mattifying my face is now. Like, right? Yeah, for sure. Okay, now I'm going in with the KOSAS Tinted Face Oil. I'm in the shade 07 tone. Make sure you guys shake it before you use it. This foundation right here is definitely a featherweight light foundation. So I'm just gonna add a little bit on my hand here. I'm gonna go in with my Hip Dot blender. So I'm gonna try to do like half and half my face first. Ooh, it's very liquidy. It is an oil based. Oh my gosh, so I did half. This is with the KOSAS Tinted Foundation Oil, and this is without it. Pretty good, right? I like it so far. I really like it. Oh my goodness, am I running out of time, you guys? I think I have much time. Women in the morning when they get dressed, like we get ready in such a rapid speed of time. You don't even know how much time you actually use, but we don't even use that much time sometimes, especially when we're in a rush. So I just got started and I feel like I literally have not much, but once I get down to like 2 minutes, that's when I'm gonna put my lipstick on. But till then, I just want to continue to blend this foundation to make sure that my skin is evenly covered. Wow. I'm impressed. Like, I'm really impressed right now. This is nice. This is nice. If you guys are a little bit skeptical, just try it. Just try it. So let me see how much time I have. I don't know how much time left. Okay. So you guys, the next product I'm going in with is the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. I'm using the shade Ruby Romance. This is a bold red right here. I really like it. I absolutely love the applicator. It just makes applying it to your lips a lot much easier. And with every application that you do, it just applies the perfect amount for you. I'm literally like shaking. Oh my gosh, I have time. Like I have time on my hands. Not really. I just absolutely love the applicator tip right here because it just hugs my lips so perfectly. And the formula is super soft, you guys. I just love, it's lightweight on my lips. It feels like nothing is there. I just know that my Ruby Romance Laura Geller is on my lips right now. I like it. So you guys, this is just such a record because I think I'm done. And like a really good time. Like I still have a few seconds left. But I love the way everything came out, you guys. And first of all, this is my first time using all of these products and I'm giving everything an A+. For Steph B, these are definitely products I highly recommend for all of you guys to try, especially just everything. Just try everything. Like, look at how flawless I look right now. I love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for staying tuned for our 5-minute makeup challenge. This was definitely worth it. This just goes to show that even with the simplest products you have, you can create your look within 5 minutes. It is super easy. Just super easy. You guys know? You know? Okay, you guys, this was great. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell right there so you can be notified with all things Boxy. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.